Health benefits of drinking baking soda with water. 1. Detox. Baking soda is thought to help the body detox. After a while, depending on the food we eat and the environments we're exposed to, our bodies start to build up heavy metals and other toxins. Sometimes the body needs a little extra help with removing those toxins. Drinking baking soda water helps with that. It can remove the heavy metals and other toxic substances so that your body can operate optimally. 2. Indigestion. Baking soda can also relieve or prevent indigestion. To take care of indigestion, just take half a teaspoon of baking soda with 2 cups of water about an hour after eating. However, it's good to identify the sources of indigestion so that you can prevent it with a healthy diet. 3. Improve kidney function. When kidneys are not working at their optimal level, it can be hard for them to remove acidic waste from the body. Baking soda is known to buffer acid and balance pH levels, so it can help the kidneys remove unwanted acids in the body. 4. Enhances workout. Would you like to work out longer with less fatigue? People experience fatigue and soreness in their muscles after working out because of something called lactic acid. Baking soda is known to absorb this acid, therefore reducing fatigue and soreness. 5. Insect bites. While you're using your paste for itchy skin, why not put some on insect bites? As with itchy skin, applying the baking soda paste immediately reduces the itching. It may also prevent infection due to its antiseptic properties. 6. Drinking baking soda water balances pH. As mentioned before, baking soda's wonderful curing properties come from its alkaline nature. Due to diet, environment, and other factors, certain areas of the body can develop a pH imbalance. As mentioned before, baking soda, and not baking powder, is pure sodium bicarbonate, which is alkaline and therefore the opposite of acidic. Consuming baking soda will help restore the natural pH where it's needed. 7. Teeth whitener. Baking soda is a common ingredient in toothpaste due to its ability to remove plaque. Using baking soda by itself can be too abrasive and wear off enamel on the teeth. However, by making a solution or paste by adding water can be good for dental health. Either mix baking soda and water and swish it around in your mouth, or use less water to create a paste and leave it on your teeth for a few minutes. Do this a few times a week and you'll have whiter teeth in no time. 8. Gout. Gout is caused by an overwhelming amount of uric acid in the blood, which crystallizes and therefore cannot be flushed out of the system. As with many of the ailments in this list, this is due to the blood being too acidic. Baking soda's alkaline nature brings the pH back up, which allows the blood to hold more uric acid without it crystallizing. This makes it easier to flush the uric acid out of the body and prevents the formation of gout. 9. Acid reflux. Baking soda's alkaline nature means that it acts as an antacid and neutralizes stomach acid. Antacids are a common item to use for acid reflux. However, instead of heading to your local pharmacy or store to buy antacids, you can find a cheaper, natural alternative right in your pantry. Drinking a glass of water mixed with a teaspoon of baking soda should be good enough to reduce the pain and other symptoms.